Hello, guys. Who want to build like this website? Are you one of them? So let's get to start and to build like these websites. You see how I'm going to sharing with you the code that you are going to build like exactly like these websites. And we are after this, you build like these websites, you are going to deploy on the internet, and you're going to share with your team or your friends, and then to you know and to build like better than these websites, to build like artificial intelligence websites, to build AI websites. So why is data science become so important? Why become a data analyze so popular now? And you're going to build like these websites. It's so easy to deploy, and even you see here, it's easy to deploy, right? So only few clicks you are going to deploy your website. So if I click here, then I can go to uh, publish this uh, website on the internet. Everybody can see, or I can share with my teams. So you are going to do it right. Let's go to see. You see, guys, there is a map and how it's built. You're going to see, and yes. So this is a Deliv city. You see here map box, and you see. Let's go to see. Look, guys, how it's working. Look, see, you are going to build exactly like this, and see, see how to build in a AI or in a data science. The data science in machine learning, you can build so many things, so many websites you are going to build. So let's go to see our code. Okay, so guys, did our codes look like this? How it's built? I called this import Streamlit as stream. So Streamlit is for data science environmental, for notebook environmentals that you are going to call out your uh, websites, or we are going to build your websites, or we are going to publish your websites. It's so easy to build in Python because Streamlit can understand Python language, so it's so easy to build in Python language. And then Banda for data frames, and then NumPy for numericals, and then Pay deck, meaning for modules that how to build or to map box. So, and then this is the title that I give him the titles, and then chart. So I give him the data frames and the random numbers. So this one, then the random numbers, and I give him the column, the latitude and the longitude. So I give him this one, and then you see here this for pay, that it is a for object. So that's the container with, and draw charts and using the product library. So we are going to this can support 3D maps and pointing clouds. So on the map styles are giving here map, and then initial. So this is the given the all kind of styles and the views and longitude and the latitude and the all. Okay, so this is how it's working, on the zoom and the bit everything, and then layers uh, modules for layer by giving. So this is the can configure our rendering of map that gives the permit how to pass well specific like a data chart or get positions and longitude or latitude, and given the radius 200. So this is a zoom you see here, 11 bit equal to 50, and the latitude is 37 to 0.76, and also latitude. So I give elevation scale for elevation range 0 to 1000. So let's say to give 3000. How to look, guys? Let's go to see. I'm going to share it and to see how it's look. Okay, let's to refresh, guys. Look, because I gave it a more, height. So this is how it's look, and before and now how it's changed. You see, and you can make it small or you can make it more bigger than, and also we can change the colors how it's look. We give the different size of the colors. Uh, See how to easy to build like this application. So here we can go to, okay, I extrude through, and then vegetable through, and then data chart, and then we layer. Okay, here and color is the number of the color. You can change the color. Yes, for five, so 100 get reduced to 100, and then let's go to see how it's change. Look, guys, how it's changed. Because I give the red color, I give 500 from 200 to 500. You see now, you can see most of them are red color. So this way, guys, how to build in Python language, to build websites or to build any application. You're so easy to build in just few code or few line of code. You are going to build your websites. So guys, if you are new here, like subscribe to learning, like doing these things, or if you want, so using this code and then to build like these things and to learning and how to build like this. I'm looking forward to see you in my next trip. Bye for now.